Hi there. In this video, you will witness a lab test of wireless data uploading using modern Wi-Fi 6E wireless communication. Operating in the 6 GHz frequency band, many mass transit operators are keen to explore the potential of Wi-Fi 6E for data offloading from buses, light rail, and other vehicles to the operator network. We decided to conduct this test because chief technology officers in the transportation industry often inquire about the advantages of ELVA 1 Mobi Bridge 10G compared to other data offloading technologies. As Wi-Fi 6E is being a frequent consideration, we conducted this test to unveil a real Wi-Fi 6E throughput. Before we talk about the test itself, let's clarify its purpose in a couple of questions that the test should answer. The first question is whether Wi-Fi 6E really gives 6 gigabit per second speed as advertised.
The answer is no, it does not. The average speed of Wi-Fi 6E, when using the best and most expensive routers, will be about 1.5 gigabit per second in average. And this is in monopoly mode if the connection works only for one client device.
Okay, and the second question is, if there is more than one connection, do all client devices get 1.5 gigabit per second speed?
Again, the answer is no. When several clients are connected to one access point, the speed drops proportionally to the number of clients. We tested this onto clients, the speed decreased per client twice. Wi-Fi 6E does not give on one access point the maximum router speed for each client when works with a number of client devices.
Thank you, and let me continue with the details of the test. This is a Wi-Fi 6E measurement stand. The equipment is currently arranged compactly for video capture. During the test, the equipment was dispersed within this room. The main component is the Netgear Wi-Fi router, featuring a 6 GHz transceiver. The router is equipped with 10 gigabit WAN and 2.5 gigabit LAN wired interfaces. Using 10 gigabit WAN port, this router is connected to the Linux computer via a switch. This computer has 4 10 gigabit interfaces on board, and it was verified that the computer passes all 10 gigabits through without delay. Next, we have a laptop with a Wi-Fi 6E adapter, and there's also a mini computer with the Wi-Fi 6E adapter with PCI connector inserted into it. It is used for wireless network testing with more than one client. Next, let's move on to describing the procedure of how the client Wi-Fi 6E was tested. You can see the diagram on the screen. The laptop is used as a Wi-Fi 6E client and at the same time as a console for a Linux host running iPerf3 server. The iPerf3 software is a specialized data rate measurement tool that is recognized amongst IT professionals. The test data go along the chain from the laptop to the Wi-Fi 6 adapter in the laptop, then to the Wi-Fi 6 router Netgear, and from Netgear through the 10 gigabits cable to the 10 gigabits port of the Linux computer. Now let's look at the test equipment on the test bench itself. Linux computer is connected via console to the laptop, and on the laptop screen we will observe the output data from Linux computer. Next, the iPerf3 server is started on the Linux computer. For the correctness of the test, we check if the laptop is connected to Wi-Fi 6E, and yes, the wireless connection is working. Now let's see how the test goes. Here we get now the connection speed on Wi-Fi 6E at the level from 1.4 to 1.8 gigabits per second. The results of the data transfer rate in the wireless channel are quite stable and repeat within these limits. But as you can see, the connection speed results are far from 4 or even 6 gigabits per second, which vendors promise in the advertisements of the Wi-Fi 6E equipment. Now we can conclude that Wi-Fi 6E technology is not very suitable for uploading large volumes of video and data from vehicles to the network of a mass transit operator. The connection speed is on average 1.5 to 1.6 gigabits per second, and this is in the mode with just one client. If there are many Wi-Fi clients on the parking location, for example, installed on buses, so each of them will get only a fraction of the total bandwidth of the Wi-Fi 6E access point router. Yes, Wi-Fi 6E connection speed per client is faster than previous versions of Wi-Fi protocols, but still too low compared to 10 gigabits per second links in 60 GHz band available from ELVA 1 company for data offloading. Our test was simple and straightforward. You can repeat it in your company to make sure of our conclusions. Thank you for watching.